Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Reviews. Roku running slow? Try these powerful performance fixes. Speed up your Roku TV with easy, proven performance tweaks. Learn how to fix lag, buffering, freezing, and slow apps using simple settings and optimization tips. This guide helps improve streaming speed, responsiveness, and overall Roku performance. No technical skills needed. Perfect for smooth, uninterrupted entertainment. 1. Clear the cache regularly. Secret remote combo. Roku accumulates temporary data that slows it down over time. The fastest way to clear it is a hidden shortcut. From the home screen, highlight the home icon, press home button 5 times quickly, then up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. This triggers a cache clear and soft restart without losing settings or logins. Do this every few weeks for noticeable speed gains in menus and app loading. No tools needed. 2. Keep your Roku software/firmware updated. Go to Settings >System update Check now. Roku pushes updates often, including performance patches in recent OS versions like 13+, fixing bugs, improving codec handling, and reducing load times by up to 15% on models like Ultra. Enable auto updates under the same menu so you never miss enhancements for speed and stability. 3. Restart or reboot your device properly. A simple restart flushes memory glitches and background processes. Navigate to Settings System Power System Restart, or System Restart if no power submenu. For a deeper refresh, unplug the Roku or Roku TV from power for 60 seconds, then plug back in. This often resolves sluggishness instantly and is more effective than just powering off. 4. Optimize your internet connection. Streaming performance ties directly to bandwidth. Switch to a wired Ethernet connection if possible, especially on Roku Ultra or models with ports, for lower latency and stability over Wi-Fi. If wireless, move the router closer, reduce interference, avoid 2.4 GHz crowding, or use a Wi-Fi extender. Reset network settings via Settings System Advanced System Settings Network Connection Reset to clear old configs. Test your speed, aim for at least 25 megabits per second for HD/4K. 5. Remove unused channels/apps and declutter the home screen. Too many installed channels bog down the interface and use background resources. From the home screen, highlight an unused channel, press the star button, and select Remove Channel. Organize your home screen by moving favorites to the top, highlight and press star Move Channel. Fewer apps mean quicker navigation and less strain on limited hardware. 6. Adjust display and advanced settings for efficiency. Go to Settings, then Display Type and match your TV's capabilities, for example, 4K HDR if supported, or drop to 1080p on older setups to reduce processing load. Under Settings Advanced Display Settings, enable Auto-Adjust Display Refresh Rate for smoother motion without extra strain. Disable unnecessary animations or high frame rate demands if your model supports secret menus via platform diagnostics, but start with official paths. 7. Reset network or perform advanced tweaks as needed. If lag persists, reset just the network. Settings System Advanced System Settings Network Connection Reset. For stubborn issues, a factory reset. Settings System Advanced System Settings Factory Reset wipes everything but often revives speed, like new performance. Use this as a last resort, then reinstall only essential apps. Some users access secret menus for deeper diagnostics, for example, Platform Secret Menu, but the above steps cover 90% of cases without risk. These tweaks take minutes and can transform a sluggish Roku into a snappy streamer. Start with number 1 to 3 for quick wins, then move to connection and app management. Your streaming sessions will feel faster and more reliable, no hardware upgrade required. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.